Looks like someone's taking their beach vacation very seriously.
Go in there, get in there. Dude. It's like an endless ball of energy, this dog. Here it goes. What is this dog?
The beach is calling and this pup is answering. Full sprint, zero hesitation. Every dog has different preferences. If you're a sleep-deprived one, you'll sympathize with him. Even before contact with the water, the dog begins his instinctual swim reflex. It's as if the mere scent of salt awakens a deep, ancient joy. I swear this dog is the best surfer in the Ginger Cat universe. This pup's soul left his body and dove straight into the ocean.
Eddie's first time at the beach didn't go to plan.
Bro's just a floating head now, fully committed to being a lake creature. Golden retriever? More like golden submarine.
Come on.
husky loves exploring new lands. Perhaps he hoped to find treasure.
What happened?
Carol, swim, yes, and look at him. Do little surfing puppy dog. Look at him go. Look, here comes Leonard. Here comes Leonard. It's like, oh, all right, give him the, oh, no! You just gotta have a little rest and then you can swim again.
This ocean junkie refused to rest because he didn't want to waste a single moment. Golden might be mad at you for a month if he finds out you went swimming alone. Yo, he just jumped that wave like it owed him money. This dog ain't playing. He owns the beach now. Doggy wants his body covered by the ocean, not in a sand turtle.
Ooh, what a set. Nice.
Bro didn't come to play. He came to compete. This ain't just a dog, it's Tony Hawk in a fur coat.
Oh. All right, this is a good rally, good sets, good hits.
The ocean is a mystery box. We never know what we will get. For these dogs, human sleep time is a great time for them to enjoy swimming. His mind was screaming, "I am the master of this ocean." This dear visitor of the sea only regrets that he cannot explore every corner of it. What an unforgettable day filled with firsts and pure joy as they discovered the ocean's magic.